When pandemic and lockdown started, instead of relying on maid, we have started taking care of our stuff by own. And at the same time, MI launched one of its most anticipated product to the Indian market, which was MI robot vacuum cleaner. And it was part of their crowdfunding program and technically was supposed to ship before the lockdown. But since lockdown started and everything was messed up, its overall shipment process was delayed. And after multiple and multitude of delays, finally they started its shipment. And today we have received our unit. And here it is. So today in this video we are going to unbox it and see what we got inside the box. Hey, it's Nikhil here from Technist, where I help you to amplify your tech knowledge. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for all future updates. Now before we start our unboxing, let's see what we have inside the box. If you see the box, these are the inclusions. So first we have vacuum mop, which is the main unit, side brush, charging dock, AC adapter, mop pad holder, wet mop pad, moist mop pad, user manual, warranty card, and 2-in-1 dust compartment. MRP mentioned on the box is 29,999, but in crowdfunding I bought it at 18,000. Now let's open the box and see what we have inside. So here is the main packaging. Now when we open it, on the top we have mop holder, user manual. Normally we never use it, but this is a fairly new product for us. It's better to keep it aside for future reference. These are the side brush which help to collect the dust from the corners. Below this we have the main unit, which is fairly large, and I think it also weighs approx 3 to 3.5 kg. These are the front and rear wheel, and on the top we have the LDS sensor, which helps it to roam inside your home without any distraction. Now keep this aside and come to the last compartment, where we have the additional full weight mop attachment, which you can use on this one whenever the attached one is worn out. Now we have 2-pin 20-volt adapter, which will basically power the docking station. And at the last we have the docking station. So whenever the robot drain out of the charge, it will go and sit over it so that it can get charged up. And the last component inside the box is dust box, which you can use when mopping is not required, which means only for sweeping. Now before we take it out for a test run, let me quickly show you how to install it. So first thing which we have to do here is open the flap and install the dust box right here. The second thing which we have to do is to flip it over and install any one of the side brush. Once you get the click sound, it means it's done. You also get a cleaning brush inside, which basically doubles up as the knife. Now this is useful to remove something like hair and thread which get stuck inside. You can use the other side to actually cut that out. So now it is ready for charging and its first run. Let me use for some day and then I will come up with my full review. If you want to know about some specific function or feature, let me know in the comment section. I will include those in my full review. Now it's time to sign off. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe and stay digitally connected.